As a homeowner in Orangeburg, South Carolina, ensuring your home is safe and secure is a top priority. While we often think about locks, alarms, and security cameras when considering home safety, your windows play an equally important role in protecting your property. Casement windows, in particular, are an excellent choice for enhancing home security. Their unique design offers a variety of security benefits that make them a smart and stylish option for homeowners looking to improve both their safety and their home's overall functionality. Here's how casement windows can enhance your home security in Orangeburg. Secure, hinged design for better protection. Casement windows are hinged at the side and open outward like a door, unlike traditional double-hung windows that slide up and down. This design provides a more secure way to open and close your windows. Since casement windows open outward, they're typically harder to access from the outside compared to windows that slide up or down. For example, burglars attempting to break into a home can easily lift a traditional window from its frame or force it open. However, with casement windows, the outward opening motion makes it much more difficult for intruders to force the window open. In addition, the hinge placement of casement windows means they are more tightly sealed when closed. The window sash is pressed tightly against the frame, creating a more secure barrier than other window styles, making it harder for burglars to pry the window open. Advanced locking mechanism. Casement windows typically feature multi-point locking systems, which provide superior security compared to standard single-point locks on double-hung windows. Multi-point locks secure the window at several points along the frame, making it much harder for an intruder to break through. This enhanced locking mechanism ensures that your window stays securely locked, providing an added layer of protection. In Orangeburg, where the climate can fluctuate between hot summers and mild winters, the durability and efficiency of the locking system in casement windows are especially valuable. The secure locking system reduces the risk of tampering, giving you peace of mind knowing that your windows are locked tightly and your home is secure. Impact-resistant glass for increased protection. Casement windows are often available with impact-resistant glass, which is a significant feature for improving your home's security. In a city like Orangeburg, where storms and heavy rainfall are common, having windows with impact-resistant glass is a wise choice. Impact-resistant glass is designed to withstand strong forces, including high winds and debris, making it far more difficult for an intruder to break through. Even in the event of a break-in attempt, impact-resistant glass holds together even when shattered, reducing the chances of an intruder gaining access to your home. This feature also provides additional benefits during storm season, offering both security and peace of mind. Reduced risk of forced entry. One of the key benefits of casement windows is their design, which minimizes the risk of forced entry. Unlike sliding windows or sash windows, which have weak spots that can be exploited, casement windows have fewer areas vulnerable to tampering. The unique locking mechanism of casement windows creates a tight seal when the window is closed, making it harder for burglars to gain entry. Many casement windows come with reinforced frames that resist warping, bending, or breaking, further strengthening the window's ability to resist forced entry. This added durability makes casement windows one of the best choices for homeowners who prioritize home security and want to prevent break-ins. Enhanced visibility for monitoring and surveillance. Casement windows allow for greater visibility compared to other window types. Because they open outward, you can enjoy unobstructed views of your yard, street, or driveway. This increased visibility makes it easier for you to spot any suspicious activity or individuals approaching your home. If you have security cameras or motion sensors installed outside your home, casement windows provide an ideal vantage point for monitoring your property. Their clear, wide-open design allows for better natural light and sightlines, so you can keep an eye on your surroundings, enhancing both security and peace of mind. Energy efficiency and comfort. While casement windows are primarily known for their security features, they also contribute to the overall comfort and efficiency of your home. When properly sealed, casement windows offer excellent insulation, reducing drafts and keeping your home cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. This energy efficiency reduces the strain on your heating and cooling systems, helping to lower energy bills. Energy-efficient windows also make your home more secure by eliminating temperature fluctuations inside the home that might attract unwanted attention from burglars. Additionally, with casement windows, you can control ventilation more easily, allowing for better airflow while maintaining security. Durability and low maintenance. Casement windows are designed for durability, which contributes to both their security and long-term performance. They are often made from materials like vinyl, fiberglass, or aluminum, which are resistant to rot, warping, and corrosion. This is especially important in the humid climate of Orangeburg, where other window materials may deteriorate over time due to exposure to moisture. The sturdy construction and weather-resistant materials ensure that your casement windows will continue to provide reliable protection and maintain their appearance for years, without the constant need for repairs or replacement. The low-maintenance nature of casement windows also means you won't have to worry about frequent upkeep, keeping your home's security intact without the added hassle. Conclusion. Casement windows are a smart investment for homeowners in Orangeburg who are looking to enhance their home's security while enjoying the benefits of improved energy efficiency, durability, and aesthetic appeal. Their secure locking mechanisms, tight seals, impact-resistant glass, and ability to resist forced entry make them one of the most secure window options available. Whether you're looking to upgrade the security of your home or simply improve its overall functionality, casement windows offer an excellent solution that provides long-term protection and peace of mind. By choosing casement windows for your home, you can enjoy a safer, more secure living environment for you and your family.